Today, I'll walk you through how to add effects to your video call on Snapchat, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to enhance your video calls with fun filters so you can impress your friends and make your conversations more engaging. First, let's start by opening the Snapchat app on your device. If you don't have it installed yet, you can easily download it from your app store. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by the familiar camera interface. This is where the magic begins. Now let's navigate to the chat section. To do this, simply swipe down or tap on the chat icon at the bottom of your screen. This will take you to your conversations. Think of it as your digital living room where you can connect with friends. Next, find the conversation with the friend you want to video call. Just scroll through your chats until you spot their name. It's like looking for a familiar face in a crowd. Once you found them, tap on the conversation to open it. Now it's time to initiate the video call. Look for the video camera icon located at the top right corner of the chat screen. Go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to a face-to-face chat, even if you're miles apart. Once the call is connected, you can start applying filters to your video. To do this, simply swipe left on your screen. This will bring up a variety of filters you can choose from. It's like picking out an outfit for your video call. Take your time to explore the options and find the one that suits your mood. Remember, don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Updates can change the layout a bit. It's totally normal if this takes a moment, so just enjoy the process of experimenting with different effects. As you apply filters, you'll notice how they can transform your video call experience, making it more fun and lively. Whether you want to add a silly hat, a beautiful background, or even some animated effects, Snapchat has you covered. In conclusion, adding effects to your video calls on Snapchat is a simple yet effective way to enhance your conversations. With just a few taps, you can turn an ordinary chat into an extraordinary experience. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.